Welcome back, boys and girls. We're going for round 2 of Blend It and Read It. I want you to help me blend these words and then read the whole word. Gr and p ah, grandpa. And dull, handle. Dr e m, dream. Pl and s, plans. E l p, help. L I st, list. Sh o, show. Use, used, used. Or for. Now that we've blended the words and we read the words, you're going to find the words in your word search puzzle. The words that you're going to be finding are dream, for, grandpa, handle, help, list, plans, show, and used. You will go from left to right, or you will go from top to bottom to find these words. Good luck. I know you'll do a great job.